one should ask the question, why was he left out? And if he was left out, why didn't the children of Africa look and search for one that would be consistent with us? Because most certainly, taking an inorganic substance does not help. And compounded by a carcinogen, worse. We find at the end the Ayurvedic, they uses milk and copper to treat diabetes. We find that the Chinese and Japanese uses starches to combat disease. We find that these positions and philosophy doesn't really complement the African biological structure. So today, with the help of the Usha Research Institute, using the African biomineral balance, many things would be ironed out and you would solve many of the unanswered things or questions.